Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Khaliyah and today I will be doing a review and try on of a Kinky Curly Headband Wig that I received from Curlkalon. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've already prepped everything prior to this. I do always like to wash hair that I receive, no matter where it comes from and no matter what the type is. So I did wash the wig just in a really light shampoo, not a ton of like scrubbing or anything, but just to kind of clean it up just a little bit. After that, I did sit it on one of the wig heads that I have and I put it under my hooded dryer just like I would usually sit. And while that dried, I went and washed and deep conditioned my own hair. And so I first will show you guys just the box. The construction of the box was very nice. The package came super quick and the inside is so cute. It just says curls with confidence, which of course I love. And then the wig just came in a regular plastic bag. It was wrapped in a net and there was like some tissue paper inside just so it would hold shape. On the back side of the wig, it does have two Velcro straps to close it in. And then inside the actual wig itself, there are 4 combs. And so you have your 3 at the top, 1 at the middle, 2 at the sides, and then there is 1 in the back as well. I love these back clips. They're always super helpful for just having everything lay really tight. But I hope my head fits in here, so let's get this on. I was hoping that these braids would work. I'm sure that if I had cornrowed or braided my hair down, this wig would go on a lot easier. Because this does have the headband piece on it, it's gonna cover the wig cap, so this actually works out just fine. And actually I might push it back just a little bit. Okay, so that works. It's actually, like I said, perfect because the headband makes everything fit, so you can no longer see the wig cap. Because I did the combs, well, let me adjust this a little bit, the combs in the back, it kind of hid everything once that tightened on. But y'all, look at this hair. I have a little bit of frizzies over there. Be careful where you get the Velcro at, because that's really the only thing that's causing the frizz there. I'm just gonna add a little bit more mousse just to kind of get those curls to spruce up a little bit. And so that's not really a problem. That was kind of just the way that I had it sitting. When I did put it under the hooded dryer, when I took it off, I noticed that the Velcro was stuck to a few pieces of hair, and so I had to fix those. I'm so impressed. I just keep looking at it. This hair is so pretty, guys. It's extremely soft, and now it smells amazing because I've used product in it. So I'm very, very impressed with this. The length is perfect for someone like me. I like this length a lot. The hair is not heavy. It's extremely lightweight. Because I do like big hair though, I do think that I'm gonna try to fluff some of these curls just a bit. It's very, very pretty now, but I kind of want to see it grow just a little bit. So I'm gonna get some clips to separate and I'm just gonna use my hands and start to pull some of these curls apart. Okay, so I just fluffed the left side, well, my left side of my hair. So as you can see, it does get a bit bigger. I separated the curls mostly at the bottom and the middle and left the top pretty defined. So there would just be some curl definition at the top, but if you can see, it just kind of gives it a little bit more shape than this side has. So I'm gonna finish this side up. I do love this wig a whole lot. I definitely could see myself wearing this. This is perfect for quick on the go looks. I love that the headband obviously comes in black, but it leaves room for you to add a ton of different headbands on top of it. And speaking of that, I'm gonna try one on now. And I do also want to add that this wig did not come with any headbands a part of the packaging or in the box. This was one that I had previously. Okay, so boom, look pulled together even quicker. I thought the wig was quick, but adding a headband on top definitely does complete the look even more, which is what is so fun about these wigs. I do love this headband a lot. I don't wear it very often, but it looks so cute with this wig. I feel like I have to get an outfit put together now that I can wear them combined. And so I just have these regular headscarves. They're from Amazon, just regular silk patterned scarves, and I'm just gonna kind of tie it up a little bit. And so I love this even as a more casual option as opposed to the headband. This definitely gives me more of a running errands type of look, just to cover up. Of course, you could always just wear the black headband. Black headbands are fine, but it's super easy to just throw a pop of color in with these wigs, which is what really makes them so cool. This is more of my everyday look, so this is probably how I'll be wearing the headband most of the time. So if I had to rate this wig, I would definitely give it a 9 out of 10. Some of the pros, again, do include just the good packaging, it actually being shipped out super fast, but also that the wig was easy to style, it was easy to wash, the hair does not mat, it doesn't tangle, so it was super easy to just apply products. Again, I did use mousse and just kind of raked it through the hair, and there was minimal shedding during that process as well. The only reason that I would not give this wig a 10 out of 10 is because this is their Kinky Curly wig, and I personally would describe this hair as curly. I mean, maybe a little bit big curly, but again, I also did fluff the curls out myself. But if you can kind of see the texture of the curls, they're beautiful and the hair is extremely soft. But when I think of Kinky Curly, I do think of like tighter type 4, maybe more afro textured hair than this hair is. But maybe that's where the play comes in with the Kinky Curly. So I do love this hair. I just was kind of expecting it to be a little bigger, but this hair is extremely easy to put on. It's honestly the perfect protective style. I'm extremely excited to have this wig now because I know there are just some days when I'm like, what am I gonna do to my hair? And this is it. This is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much to Curlkalon for sending me this wig. I love it. And thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.